See, again, even on these, you're probably seeing these large images probably. You're seeing the large ones, and that's great. Or you might even be seeing this large one here. Again, good. I want you to see the imagery. But what I'm getting is emails saying, yes, I see this, let's say, for example. Yes, I see this. Well, you're missing out on a lot if that's all you're seeing, because, again, right here in this one square, there are thousands of images within images. And you can get in on them all. You can go on the research videos, or you can do the research videos yourself if you want. Just I have to explain that part in another video. I have actually. 2SA1, it says 2SA1 number 1, I believe. Yeah, 2SA1 number 1 after it. And on that video I show you the boxes that you'll need so you don't have to fuck around, so you don't hurt your eyes, and you can just cardboard box. Just cut up a cardboard box is all it is. So you can look into the sky without hurting your eyes. And then you grab all this imagery, download it to your computer, or upload it to YouTube, whatever, so other people can use your videos too, like I'm doing here. And then we can all look into each other's videos for imagery, which would be also nice. So when I pause, like right here, when I pause here, there's image within image. There's little faces right here, sticking out all over the fucking place. Look at them all in here. They're everywhere. And when you look with your eyes, you're going to see this is just some puffy little clouds. You're not really going to see it as anything. You really got to kind of look in on it a little bit. So I'm leaving my camera here for a minute so you can catch some of the bigger images first, and then I'll zoom in a little. And my tripod keeps popping down on me, so hold on. Okay. So you have your larger images in this right here. Now, I'll leave you alone on this one. You might not see it. I do. Then some other larger ones you probably will see are this one, an eye and a mouth right here. You'll probably see this one. This one coming sideways, you will. His eyes are sideways this way. That's this full image. Then let's see what else I got for a full image. There's another one here, but you're not going to understand the bottom half of it because it's transparent, so you're not going to see it the way I do. But just those that I just pointed out, there's another one back here is a big one. Oh yeah, here's another big one. Eye, nose, this way. Looks like it's somewhat human. Alright, so now that I've identified just a few of the large ones that are in here, now I can identify some of the smaller ones. With my eyes, I don't have to zoom in anymore. I don't have to zoom in on stuff. But just so I will, just for the sake of this video, like let's take this area right here, because there's image, 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 and it's a little blurry, but I think I can get it. There we go. And I'll leave the camera alone for a minute, let it do its thing. Let the camera adjust, come on. You know, I did find one time that if I came back and zoomed in from back here, oh yeah, see what I mean? So if I move the camera back and zoom in, I get another layer as well. Like, look at, I mean, there's a lot of detail in there. You know, maybe I'll just do that. I'll set it up on the next table back and just do this. Yeah, it seems to work a little better this way. Okay, I'm going to hit play. I'm in the clouds, by the way, today. I like to point that out because I don't see a lot of trees in the bottom right now. So just want to point that out as I'm doing the video so no one thinks that I'm doing the moon right now. But again, image within image within image, all the way down to these small images in here, these tiny little poofs, you know? Pretty incredible. Incredible that no one else fucking sees it. Hit play. A lot of detail in that. A lot of detail in this one. A lot of detail in this one. You can get all the detail. In other words, you can do the in thing. Start with your outer imagery and then keep working your way in. Okay, so now looking over to the right, you're seeing this. This is all blue sky in here with the little wisps, and I'm showing you the imagery is already there. Matter of fact, look at the big imagery. Look at this eye in this eye. Very mist. It's in the mist. It's not even heavy cloud, so it's going to be hard for you to get your head around, maybe. I don't know. Hopefully people will start seeing this. Eye, mouth, nose of this huge image right here that's taking up most of my screen. But it's what I'll define, the thing is that I'm struggling for words because if I call it mist, people take that as literally, I mean mist. It is kind of a misty, it's a heavy metal. This is the same heavy metals that they're spraying out of the jets. It's heavy metals that are being grabbed up by the nanocarbon to create these images. And they do a lot of different things with the images and with the heavy metals. The whole system works on this stuff, and it's amazing. I really wish people would get their heads around what the fuck is going on. Anyway, let's go in on it a little bit. Now, without the filter, I would never be able to show any of this without the filter. I could see it with my eyes if I was outside, but the camera wouldn't pick it up without that green filter on there. And I could certainly take the red filter and add some contrast right now, but I'm not going to. Okay, now I'm going down to the bottom of the screen. Obviously, trees everywhere. again, you might see the outline of, let's say, straighten my tripod out again. You might be seeing the outline of some imagery, and you're not going to feel confident enough about calling it any kind of imagery, because you're just not going to, it's going to take you a week or two anyway before you're being able to start calling this shit out for what it is. Just zooming in and out. Well, doesn't seem to be helping me anymore now, huh? Fucking cameras suck. So down here that I'm trying to let the camera focus for is all this imagery down here. Image within image, within image, within image. And I can keep going in on it all. So yes, you have your large images up here where the eyes are going to start up here and work their way down. Let's see. Try and get it so I'm not blurring you out. Alright, I don't want to make a shitty video out of this by doing that. Because what I will do, this is one of the reasons why I don't like going, zooming in and out when I'm making videos, because that's what happens, a lot of blurriness, then I'm waiting for the camera to refocus. I'm better off going in at one layer, doing a video at that layer, and then later making another video at another distance. Zoom in a little bit and make the whole video at that distance. Okay, I think I just let them roll through the sky now at this point, so I'm just going to let it roll. Yeah, I mean, it's a little slow and boring to watch it like this, but it's fun to watch them develop as they're coming through the sky as well. So I'm trying to give you all different angles, points of view, different days, different clouding, you know. So some will be better than others. This is not too shabby though. I mean, you should be able to see this big image with the eye here and the eye here, and it's going that way. Let's just keep an eye on this. I'll just run a few videos through right here on this one research vid, and then whatever you get out of it, you get out of it. We'll see. so here's some interesting ones. There's an interesting batch right here. Okay, so you know, these ones you probably won't see. Your eyes, especially a beginner, you're not going to see this. But I'm going to point it out to you for that reason. These you might catch. You know, these you might catch. They have some darker areas. They're more three-dimensional. You'll catch them easier. But here you clearly have a human face with the nose, the eyes, looking out opposite way as I'm pointing. But even larger than that, this image is within this image, because here's the eyes for this larger image, and this would be his nose, and this would be his mouth. So it's image within image, and then off this way, looking out this way, is an eye looking out, whatever, that way. Here's his nose and his mouth of this larger image. Matter of fact, he's even got detail in his cheekbones and hair, and the hair is another image over here. You can clearly see looking off, again, opposite of where I'm pointing. And then in here, it's image within image, just like everything else, image within image. But here you have the opportunity to look in at the triangles in their transparent state, the electromagnetic nanocarbon in their transparent state, because that's neon blue sky behind here. So you get to see the nanocarbon in their black, when they appear black to your eyes, right here, all over the fucking place, everywhere that you look. All these triangles, those are all appearing black to you. Those are all behind certain heavy metals. These ones out here are not. Same triangles, same triangular shape, same nanocarbon. I'm going to move my stick out of the way, and you can go ahead and just look at this for a minute. And I'll go ahead and press play again. And again, I'll keep repeating. Anybody can feel free and go look at my research videos and do exactly what I'm doing, so you know that I'm not pulling any photography tricks or anything. So here, as I move my angle of my camera, we're getting in on all those, that same area. And just look up and down and look at all the imagery that's in here. And some of it is very clear. You'll start seeing the eyes, the noses, the mouths, very crisp, very clear imagery. Depending on what heavy metals they're dumping in the atmosphere on whatever day. Some are better for more clear imagery, and other days, whatever they're dumping out might be good for something else. And I say that because some days the imagery is just so crisp and clear. It's really undeniable.